Santillan. Santi, crucial defense on Geranteng nung na-slap away yung bola, ikaw din yung nakakuha. You were also able to sink the free throw. Pwede mo ba i-describe sa amin what it was like yung dying moments of the game?
Yun nga, yung game plan ni coach na alam na namin na kay Jeron yung mapupunta yung bola. So, yung papunta pala ng screen, kailangan talaga i-double namin or ipasa kay Jeron, ganun. So, yun, nakuha naman namin.
18 points and 9 rebounds, almost a double-double performance para sa'yo. Was it difficult to have that kind of balance, especially on an opening game?
Siguro kasi new team nga yung Converge, tsaka sobrang challenging sa akin. Tsaka yun nga, malaking tiwala nila ko sa akin, yung mga veterano, na hindi ko sasayangin yung tiwala nila.
Well, congratulations, good job. Coach Chris, you always talk about this mentality, this culture that you want to bring to this rain or shine team, and it being composed of some vets and a lot of new faces. How big, how important was this win to really establish that winning mentality for the team?
You know, with the way we ended last conference on a low note, not even making playoffs, it was extremely important for us to come out and we're able to seal this tough, gritty win against Coach Jeff's Converge team. That young group he has over there was resilient tonight. Their guys came up with some astounding plays, and I give a lot of credit to my guys from Bo to Norbert, Santi, really having our man-up mentality, and these guys took responsibility for coming out with a big first win for us going into the season.
Now we open the floor to some of our media friends.
The final play, I mean, yung kayo po, the plan given the last shot?
Yeah, I told Bo to read the defense because we knew that anything Ray would be coming to the ball, both his man and Ray's man was going to probably try to deny it or double team Ray. Bo was able to, fake the handoff and turn. He got himself open, and the thing I love about Bo, he's never scared of a big moment or making that big shot, which really helped us with this win tonight.
Coach, how would you rate the performances of your rookies?
They all got a taste tonight, except for, I believe, Jonard Clarito. But I already explained to our rookies that, with the level of vets that we have, keep learning game to game. This was a tough game for them to come in, a lot of nervous energy, and our vets really paved the way. So we're expecting them to really gather themselves going into our next game next Thursday.
What do you expect much from Andre Carapo prior to the start of the season? What can you say about the performance of the UN and Andre Carapo?
Like I've been, explaining to everybody that this was going to be Andre and Santi 2.0 this year. We made, myself, my staff made sure that we created an environment where these guys could blossom under us, and the amount of work they really dedicated themselves has proven tonight in their ability to close out this game.
Dante, when you're so familiar, you expect to play more under Coach Chris and more responsibilities.
Siguro ganun na nga yung mindset ko. Pero yun, one game at a time, ginagawa ko naman yung dapat gawin sa team. So yun.